this is the retaining kit. You get these pins, these springs, two different sizes of cord stock, which is just solid rubber, and epoxy. Now, these pins are in here. And what happens is, after you slide these pins in, these are in another little hole that comes in from the bottom. And what happens is, the spring pushes them down, and they block these so that these cannot come back out. You can look in here and see them in there. To remove the bit from the driver, get a couple of flat blade screwdrivers, and you'll notice that this has the little mushroom area. You see that? So I'm going to put the screwdriver in there, and I'm going to hook this and push it up. And then with this screwdriver back here, I'm going to push this out. I'm going to put this in here and push this up, and I'm going to put that right there, and I push this one up out of the way, and then I push this out like that. You see? So what I did was I forced this up, and once it cleared that, then I pushed that out. Okay? Then you do the same thing over here. Okay? Same thing over here. Now, the trick here, you can pull these all the way out, and it's not the end of the world, but it's a lot easier if you don't. Really, what you want to do is just pull them back enough so that the bit clears the driver. So, and I think I have it. Let's find out. Now the driver should lift up off the bit. There it is. Easy. Couldn't be easier. So, when this whole thing is assembled, this is sitting here like this. That's what holds it all together. I just pushed this back, lifted the driver off the bit, but I didn't pull it all the way out. That makes it easier. If you do pull it all the way out, it's not the end of the world. You can still get this thing back up and get this in. But I would say to only pull these out a couple of inches. Just enough to clear where the bit goes. Just 2 inches is enough. If from here to here, 2 inches. And then you can lift the driver right off the bit. So then you can change the wings out or whatever. Okay? You want to put it back together? You put your new wings on, whatever. Bring this down. And then push these in. You're going to hear a click. And the click is this coming down like that. As I push this in, it's going to clear the little pin. The little pin's going to come down and latch it in place. There it goes. There it goes. They're both in place. Now, bit and driver together. It's easy. Piece of cake. It's a very good system, really. And virtually impossible for this to come apart in the hole if it's put together correctly. Virtually impossible.